And as we head toward winter, we're seeing an alarming rise in respiratory illnesses like RSV in children. Anne Thompson now on what parents need to know.
These scenes of packed hospital waiting rooms raise an alarm in China as it grapples with a spike in respiratory illnesses, mostly in children. The World Health Organization is asking for more information. Here, flu is now spreading across the U.S., the CDC reporting a nearly 4% increase in flu-related doctor's visits. The Southeast hit especially hard, but not like last year's triple-demic, flu, COVID, and RSV. Doctors say RSV cases are on the rise.
We've actually seen a tremendous increase in the number of children who we have diagnosed with RSV over the past 7 to 8 weeks. Probably some of the highest that we've seen all season.
Dr. Shane thinks cases have peaked at her hospital. They're increasing among children at GBMC Healthcare in Maryland. But a new preventive antibody called Beyfortus is in short supply.
How many doses did you get and how many doses do you need?
I need a whole lot more than what I've gotten. I have received less than 50.
Dr. Teresa Wynn says it is crucial expectant moms get the RSV vaccine made for them.
Pregnant mothers between 32 to 36 weeks can get the vaccine, and if there's been 4 weeks, they have made antibodies and have passed it on to their infants at birth.
Though the CDC says 77,000 additional doses will be made available, it's advising doctors to prioritize those who need it, including infants 6 months and younger or with underlying conditions.
And Anne joins me here in the studio. Why is this antibody in such short supply right now?
Well, the manufacturer, Sanofi Pasteur, says that despite an aggressive supply plan, the demand for Beyfortus has been much higher than anticipated. In the meantime, doctors say it's also important for adults over the age of 60 to get the RSV vaccine to stop the spread and protect the most vulnerable and youngest among us, especially during the holidays, Lester.
All right. Anne, thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.